The conditions are right for a rip-your-face-off rally. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Thursday, the 19th of May. And although markets are under a little bit of pressure right now, they are certainly set up for what we call in the business a rip-your-face-off rally, which is just a short covering, dead cat bounce. As we look at the markets now, the Dow is down 300, but well off its lows. The NASDAQ is actually plus, but by the time you get this, it could be minus because it's going all over the place. It's at about a 400-point range. The S&P is down 20. The NASDAQ, the Russell is flat. So we're short them all, but this is certainly a setup and a perfect day when you get big selling into the opening after a big down day could usually mean some short covering and a squeeze. So don't be surprised if we do end up higher on the day and maybe sharply. But again, we're still going much lower. This has nothing to do with the longer term trend. The longer term trend is down, and we're looking for 40 to 60% before this down move is over. But in the meantime, again, we are short them all. Bonds, I'll go to bonds. Bonds and notes are higher. Again, there's a little bit of fear in the trade. There's a little bit of short covering. You know, we were looking for the 30-year to get to about 142 at the top end, and it's still a little bit short of that, but so it could go a little bit higher. But I'm a seller with both hands, as they say. Gold and silver are higher. They've broken through. For now, the resistance levels we've been watching, we're still short, and the trends are still lower. This is not done anything to change the trend yet. But again, we'll see how the rest of the day trades out, but they are a little bit higher right now. Where am I going here? Bitcoin is higher today, but we are still short. Dollar is lower. We are still long. Dollar getting hammered pretty good. Interesting. Okay. And the copper markets are running a little bit, but again, they've been getting hammered. They're at the bottom end of the range. You expect to see bounces. You should never be surprised by what's going on in the market. Crude oil is it's down a little bit, but it was down big, and it's come all the way back and got into plus territory. So we'll see. We're still long. The natural gas is down today, but 820. So it's down to 820. Think about that. Okay. Thank you, President Biden, for your wonderful service. You're doing us a tremendous solid by screwing us on gas. In the meantime, the grain markets, corn is higher, beans are higher, wheat is lower, and unfortunately, we're short the two that are up, and we're long the one that is down. But we'll see. Again, these are just in a big churn. We've got some food riots going on. We got all kinds of issues being handled out there in the world, and we'll see where they go from here. In the meantime, in the protein complex, you've got we're short them all, but the fats, feeders, lower. Apologies. Feeders are flat. Fats are lower. Backwards. Feeders are lower. Fats are flat. Hogs are a little bit lower. Look for that 100 to be the target to pull back in, or 105 right now. And the softs, you've got cotton, which is up and we're long. Cocoa is down, we're short. Sugar is flat, we're long. Coffee is flat, we're long. OJ is up and we're short. And again, as I tell you every day, this is still a very challenging market, and a rip-your-face-off rally would not be a surprise. And as we sign off here, remind you of our sponsors, Capital Trading Group, Trade Your Brokerage, my high school program. Scrolling on the sides and the top bottom. Check them out. You're doing yourself a favor, not me. I already use them. I vetted them for you. They are the greatest brokers there are, and I have many brokers, so I can speak to that. Okay. In the meantime, be very careful, expect it, and never be surprised. Look at the chart, look at the footprint. It'll give you the best guide to the market. In the meantime, have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here again tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update. Take care. We'll see you tomorrow.